This video lesson is a review for the Unit 6 test, and this is part 2. We're going to look at 2 problems on this review. All right, so question number 5 from the review says, which expression is equivalent to 3x squared plus 2x plus 18 minus x squared minus 4x plus 6. Okay, we have lots of different terms here, and it's actually just addition and subtraction. Now, parentheses do mean multiplication. But really, this 2x plus 18 is just kind of grouped. If we considered a 1 outside here as the coefficient, it wouldn't change anything inside of the parentheses. Now, on this term, you have to be sure that you understand you're subtracting each one of these terms inside. So it's minus x squared minus negative 4x and minus 6. So I'm just going to work through all of this, and I'm going to rewrite it without the parentheses, without everything being grouped. So we have this 3x squared, and then it's plus a 2x plus an 18. Then we are subtracting these terms, so it's going to be minus x squared. So minus x squared, and then minus the negative 4x is plus 4x. So plus 4x. And then finally, the last one, minus a 6, is exactly that, minus 6. So now we're just going to go through and we're going to find the like bases and exponents. Here we have an x squared, and here we have a minus 1x squared. So 3x squared minus 1x squared. These would be called like terms. When we do 3 minus 1, we end up with a 2x squared. So our x squared is 2x squared. Then we have our 2x plus 4x. So we're going to combine those two. Again, 2x plus 4x is 6x. So we have plus 6x. And then finally, the terms that we have remaining are the constants. We have 18 minus 6, and 18 minus 6 is 12. So plus 12, and we have that answer there, D. All right, this next one here. Simplify the following expression. So again, this is just asking us to work it out. It's a different way of asking the question. It doesn't say which one's equivalent, but simplify it. So we're going to do all these terms. We're going to add these 3 terms to this first binomial term. Okay, so I'm just going to first of all rewrite it where I don't have the parentheses, and we are adding these terms. So it's not going to change anything inside the parentheses, but I am going to rewrite it. So we have 3x squared minus 5, and then plus negative 8 just means minus 8. And then plus 6x squared, and then plus negative 13x, that's just saying minus 13x, so minus 13x. Now again, we need to find the like terms, so we're looking for like bases and exponents. We have this x squared and this plus 6x squared, so I'm going to combine 3x squared and 6x squared, which is going to give me 9x squared. Then we have a, we have a minus 13x. We don't have any other term with just x to the 1 power, so minus 13x. And then finally, we have a minus 5 and a minus 8. Put those together, and you have minus 13. So minus 13. And that would be your answer there. Okay, that's the end of this part 2.